I'm a 22-year-old trader and finance student on my way to becoming a chartered investment manager, and I'm here to help you navigate the markets. I know you guys are busy, so this video will be short and sweet. So what's going on with Wall Street legend Cathie Wood? For the first time in a while, Cathie is selling the stock since last Tuesday. After buying the stock since the beginning of the IPO back in April 2021 with an average buy price of 174. My prior video a month ago called Bears in Denial, 2.5 minutes in the video I explained why I thought coin was a buying opportunity. I'm still in my position as of recording. Personally, I believe that coin will gap fill this gap next year during the bull market, which is about $200 a share, and I have not changed my mind. It sounded crazy a month ago when Coinbase was trading at $50 a share. Now we're already at $100. A double from here is very doable. There will be pullbacks, which will be buying opportunities. So am I selling my position? No. I will be holding this trade until 2024 and slowly adding dips. Recently in the news, the company has been going through a lot of FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, concerning lawsuits with the SEC. The fear was obviously a buying opportunity. Never forget that the market doesn't care about the news or how bad the news is. It cares about the uncertainty of the news. That's what makes the market go down. Once the uncertainty is known, stocks go higher. This is why you should always be careful trading based on news. Now that you understand how to not get tricked by the market on bad news, how can you tell when you should buy the fear? One of my favorite indicators is the ADL. This indicator shows you when there's accumulation or distribution. As you can see, when the SEC news came out, the stock initially dived 20% to the second standard deviation, which is the purple line. But now look at the ADL. It actually went up and continued going higher while the stock was going sideways. Wall Street was buying the fear. If the news was that bad for the company's business model, the stock would have continued sliding lower with the ADL following the price action. Looking at the valuation, Coinbase is still cheap, especially with a coming 2024 bull run that could easily double revenue next year. Looking at earnings, obviously crypto has been very slow during this bear market, which has impacted the trading revenue of Coinbase. I do expect earnings to be incredible during second half of 2024. After the Bitcoin halving. Wall Street seems to agree with me. This is why coin has been going sideways in an accumulation pattern for the past months. You can clearly see a beautiful reverse and shoulder pattern, which is a textbook institutional accumulation pattern with an uptrend in the ADL. Never forget that the market is forward looking, especially for growth stock, meaning the price you pay today is the valuation in the future, not the present value of a stock. Looking at the probabilities, it is no longer a good time to buy Coinbase. On the short to medium term, Coinbase is now at the 4 sigma, guys. This is crazy. This is the same type of move we had right here. And obviously what happened? We got rejected. So obviously I have a long position, but I do expect this to get rejected. Obviously this is not something that happens often in the markets. Stocks rarely go to the fourth standard deviation. This erratic pattern has been happening more frequently now that everyone is chasing this new bull market narrative, pushing price action to extremes. Personally, I do believe we will get rejected. I am not selling my position and I am waiting to go back minimum to the first standard deviation, which is the gray line of the standard deviation range, and potentially to the green line, which is the reversal of the mean, to add to my position. Obviously, the probabilities could change because the probabilities in the markets are dynamic. That's it. Hope this helped. Have a good one. Stay blessed. See you in the next video.